Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So first of all we have to open the keyboard. Here we've got it. And let me pick the settings. Now on the very first position we've got languages, so let's click on this. And here we've got English and Russian. If we want to add new keyboard, simply click on Add Keyboard. And here we've got some suggested languages and all languages which are available in this device. So as you can see, there are many of them. So let me pick something, for example, maybe Arabic, and the first one. If you already click on Done, and as you can see now we've added the keyboard language to our keyboard. Simply get back again, and here after tapping on this word icon we can change our keyboard for Russian and for Arabic, which we've chosen. If you want to delete a keyboard, simply get back to the settings, to the languages, click on this edit icon and tick the language you want to remove. Tick it and delete simply. And as you can see, now we've got only English and Russian keyboard. So that's all. This is how you change the language, the keyboard language in your REALME C15. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.